Breaking news is alleged 99.9999. Abusia we kura nya alleged. Eye ababa we oda we friend maame saa. E na brantie yi e de landlord Sarkodie. Na landlord ekope maame saa. Okope ne na maame saa se ompe no. Landlord so wonte ase. Landlord se maame saa se wonpe ni nti no wade suspect no. Ene saa de a obeku ge yi no wo threaten na ge ne se saa obeku me. Se wankumi a na se mesoso mesumenkum na wanhu the end of 2025 me delete my TikTok app on social media.
Why would I date a man like you? Me dating mama, they respect themselves. Me dating mama, they have so much respect for themselves. Those are the type of men I date. Okay? It is a mekase. You are not my type. And you're clearly not my type. So far, I think, sir, spiritually, no. This is the second time ma obiatia me so very bad my bibi. Obitia me so 16 years ago. My funny bonnie and cheno. This is the second time. And you'll be a mede bonnie che. Yes, you are still alive. I told you I would delete my account and I will leave this up. I dared you. Make a sure.
Hey.
Come and try me again. Now, one thing. Now, sorry if you are Samado. Now, I want you to have the strength to get up from your dead. Now, one thing. Now, sorry. Nabekumi. Now, sorry. Nabekumi.
Abusia so you be a TikTok any social media and so dia business agree when ya ntie say abrante bi e fe say Sarkodie wato na nanom e won se do na abusia abrante ni di ankasa ya ye no e ye wura na the TikTok username e na ye landlord Sarkodie no na abusia ne ma wo no mu e ye rem e ye ensem ya e bata wo ni ho ene amanfo adanse a wo mu di ene ababa wa bia wa ba bonten be tre se wo no wura na wo wu na kame se wo ni mu bi na wo no e na atimi agi owura no ne nkwa e de afri ni se me nyina ne se owura yi e ye Kumasi ni mitra wo Kumasi ano ya wo Kumasi ono ne maame eton tuma e wo Kate a e na ja wo tu hwi ye de free Kumasi no kopie mu e wo Amsterdam ya na wo bo ne bra na eno na ka me ze TikTok live we kwaso ne TikTok ho sensem ne TikTok ntokwa ye bi e na brand ni wo binya beef e wo TikTok ne so na initially na ntokwa no enya brand ne ntokwa na ye ababa wo bi ono wo TikTok eni obi e na eku wohima do aye fe no wohima wo bi na eku e wo bi life so e na wo ready no wo kwaje ntokwa no no ekwa akobo wohima na mane se ntokwa no ne abrante ne ku ne ba ya anka wonye se abrante ne 918 baby ye pa it is ababa wa no na se ni mu enye de ansa ntokwa no ma won konkoko enu ne ma ababa wa ne bufu ye na afa ebusu ya ka me se wo patafo odi aba e na Sarkodie se wo kwaje ntokwa ne fa ye o se kosi se ye o enu woni ababa wa no ekọ bet se hwan ne beku ne nyonko e na ababa wa no e cha owura yi se 2025 ye womi so owura etimi hu 2025 no ewie ye dia ene ye won no obejai TikTok ba obejai life ye in fact obedilete na account na wonye TikTok bi ma pani ampa ye ne nwane ampa se me no ka se owura no afri me bi so kwa e kire se eye wo ba bi obefa ne ko ye ho krata asem eno ho adwenjen ene odi fa mo wodi ewu ne bi se obi kire se wono na ade ne nkwade afri ne sem de sansem no nukro bi na so busia ye maame bi eye life e wo TikTok ye friend se queen maame abra na da lumba wu ne sensem cause no ta ye life pa to bi na odi sansem ne chi no obehu maame ya making wono e na aye life na life ne so e na enchemu nyina de fa owura ne wo no ho no abai bepe se be kwa kotie se ne ensam no esiti airport na ye kono eye too much gh message so be me subscribe button so ya no akai se wo de bell no e be ka ho sa no upload ni to mpo ne first person ya ho sa be dika ka me se wo be no ma ye ko ne kotie se ne ensam no esikoye.
Breaking news is alleged 99.99 emfa ubu ebusia ewiase hu na TikTok ha no is not for the weak. Hey, na bro ka bi anti ye di na nti ma fa ne personal sa no landlord yi kura wo ka se wo beku ma me sa kra ye den enti twa enye na e wo UK ho se henfa e dia sem kura ni no de nka fro bi kwa na etwa sen ne me sa ai wa pria ko wuwo kwa hey na TikTok wa minim se nkrofo buade sa wo comment section na se a ewrade abusua Mr. Respect pa beautiful, God bless you, congratulations. Enu kwa ni yeka ho. Hey, obi esuro so obeka ni aka na no atum. Enya asem keto a chese the way again no ye boldness no kra no. Ehu. Hey mama,
minim say by now nipa bebre busa say na Sarkodie landlord ko say mami sa pekeke na wan pen no. E na ko fa sa bitterness ni ba ye na e di owu abre Sarkodie ya na da bi. Okosi ne pen no. E na mami sa no e reply ni say you are not my type. It is the word you are not my type no. And na Sarkodie nso on tibida. And na ko fa bitterness ni ba Sarkodie ni mu. Because according to Mami Sano, also he has been observing youth landlord our TikTok use who did matam sabi edi omo training na mo our app you so. Omo countless time or did matam jina life for two omo. It is such a man there ultimate day too. Until you are not my type. Until you are not my type now, no the reply ma Sarkodie bla Sarkodie ko say the pen. And then Sarkodie so on TV dana. Let's just say a free time or catch and say you are not my type and she's Sarkodie. So no, because according to investigation I'm going now omo your TikTok life no or your gifter any or child lie on that the two things or child lady no lie on the gift which she did not ask you one ado per the chair no it you know so no generally be or do say ne penti lady ni catch and say you are not my type no of course she has a the type of pay it's because you are not my type but we all know say Ghana for me we take offense they take offense to the word you are not my type they take offense big offense part to that word but meanwhile no or one preference or pay or meme it's a no and if you work on a person NHS and Subana or the TikTok no did matem to a mono person the college in this or the year no many times or congo for life is no delayed in atom or to a comment section no delayed in atom and a mekuna ba and ne we ye muna munti
Utimi so like Gio Bana Tema. Why would I date a man like you? Me dating mema, they respect themselves. Me dating mema, they have so much respect for themselves. Omu buomo ho, kwase asembi wo ha omu fo mo ho for it. Those are the type of men I date. Okay? It is a mekase, you are not my type. And you're clearly not my type. Because Bemo to me be Jinala will see Dio Barton or China or buy Jimmy for because of gifts, because of TikTok gifts. I will not date a man like that. I would never date a man like that. Because the family I come from, no, me ma first I Jimmy somewhere be Jammy Papa him because dear. Me, I don't like disrespectful men. Because the dear, but me that disrespect about my family, so and I will not tolerate it. That's why I don't go in for men who don't respect. Now me say you are not my type. I show ma who they now we ya because app is a money be your mo full. Some of the women are so cheap on this app. And men money call me dear moi hey no me me say me just a manage ho and I me so ne wakasa. Unless I'm interested and I me entertain you. Now say me interested that there's no way I'll come and entertain you. Who buy me dear moi me few. What I say? I'm not gonna respond. It's a woman texting with a young chat here. There's been nothing like that. Na me kasa wonya me type ahyewa just a unhu de wo ye unhu enti no when you betu ani asimi so di matem life bia me kwakwa to afa me bo me nkomo na wo aba ho na wo church comment section and ahyewa ni ba and na wo che say na wo di atem unhu se me gina kwan ho bo ahyewa da ben na unhu se me gina kwan ho a me bo ahyewa come and prove to me baby na me gina kwan ho na me bo ahyewa because Ghana for mema the munima or baby ya shawoma. So far, I think spiritually, no. This is the second time ma obieti amina so very bad my any bibi. Obitia me na 16 years ago. My family Bonnie and Cheno. This is the second time. And it will keep going on. It will not stop. You get it? I don't forgive. And you'll be a me de Bonnie check. So I think I just know what people don't like and don't do it to them, because I think Ghana for you people have this behavior of Meye nipa na adie and then I walk away. Meye na adie, dear me de beye no nka na nuntum na on dealing with it. No. Yana udi obi boni we are. You don't have the right to tell the person how to react. You really don't. Onti me mfa wo sambe wo me yem. Now we are what culture me say, ma me sa me de mensa wo yem kawanu tum. No. Odo sa wo me yem a. My reaction after Odo sa wo me yem no is I have every right to react how I want to react. As I say, and to say, "Oh, steppy on me toes so I don't step on my toes now. Steppy we are now. Person me say, I stepped on your toes. Don't say anything. I stepped on your toes. Don't react. No, when you step on my toes, I will do what the fuck I want to do. It's not what you want. It's what I want. It's if you don't want me to do what I want, don't step on my toes. It's just as simple as ABCD. I don't know why you people don't get it. If you ask no what do you yes, me, I'm not immortal. I'll die. When my time comes, I'll die. But the thing is, me more being you in free reality before your time. That's the thing. You know? Me more being you in free reality before your time. We'll all die one day. I've been saying it here over and over again. We'll all die. Obi anyone believe or ye immortal or believe over 150 years. We all one day will come to one day obi expiry date bet you know. But say ube mo bi eyi.
Ti menena mo na me copy life bi so na brante bi e friend Ernest. E na wo kasa. Na according to Ernest no person wo kire say omontokwa no enye keke say okopɛ no ana one pen no so oboni dua because of so ababa penintinye sa na tie ene ne se na adwe so obekirikirem na according to nintirikiremu no opeso okira me ati ase se abaya friend Sylvia no ewo ne baabi wonka bi nshem ena TikTok landlord ekokopɛ no na the kronti so okokopɛ no apparently TikTok landlord or a gifter enti ne se wutie nsem ni mu na chese wototo lion ne nyata ne nsebo na ama omu ya san ozu ho enti wo ye na adwene se my impression kakra ma menkwa na menkohwe na agya menkwoti koyo nso enti wo koye no eno odikosie ni no wo no so wa misa ga ne se o wonu obi wo ho wonu obi eni ho eno odikosie ni se twan ena ga ne chene se ne ninje no ho ompeno ne ninje no ho na efiti ho no mo no ena TikTok landlord ebefa gay ho tan na ene osoria na otutu bi mane no just baby obefa bia na when one day bi omuko gay bi e friend no Sylvia e life so na omuko Sylvia ne life so no ensem na kosi ye na bi nie mutie
okachira no straight say okay 2025 nko ending no yen hwa de obewu
challenges ba ho
yeah
edu omu mi no bid obeku no yonko
me see
okachira ni straight say wo di agro say 2025 guy ne man one man guy
so o block no cry
wa ma so ma say one man te ne so na minwu ya wo say 2025 ko ending na wo ti ase ya me delete maka no
na me wo so if you want to have fan quality in the platform, you actually commercial.
Oh, Ghana says, yeah, make a channel. Did not name in the airport.
So that's baby.
No, Paco Darcy. Or should me make Ghana, me Ghana Kodasi. Okay, no.
Recording the Betty Munyanto was here. Enti se mutie ya abrante na no wakasa no ye friend Ernest ye koye nim no recording ni mu no wo be hu se maame sa ebe ye de ebebo ne din wom say time no a asem ni sie na Ernest ne kura be ka kere no se wontwa so na wamfi no enti no papa ye okasa ye utum so no de asem no odi mu ntenten no apa like onim de si ya nkasa na just wo kire mu me yete ase a na eye abrantie fe no Sarkodie landlord wo kokopɛ eye maame saa ena maame saa so anya de antwe ama no wan twe ama no baabi obehia ne bia na just we de ototo ema ne no yeso odo ne de ne ho akodim ena mekan no watola yons na ma chese zu ho no momo ya short inte se de ode kwa akopinche so ko so a ya boni eject se de ode cassette e she dekim na yeyi amanaba TikTok landlord so want yase no obi ono oye landlord o TikTok e ba ne se no bepewa umpene but me so no se me hwe asem ni mu a me ye sure say BBC ye ebi again it can be chere boy no I don't know eno do obi ankan because se eyampa se okope ne keke ena one penny eno status wo di na temu a then na boy no o wadwunu mu yare se again na nka bibia anchere no ena hye no eno ntine mo no so de begina so ebe ye side na boy no wadwunu mu yare enti se wutie ya recording nim no ena se no ma yete ase se landlord Sarkodie Emma eye maame sa wa man say onu na so obeku no na sa wa man ne so na se wono no maame sa na nwu a ene afia yesimu eye 2025 obe make sure say TikTok landlord Sarkodie onwura the following year mu eye 2026 obete ne te ansa na year no aso na chese oka ye no so no ene
Makacho mo say TikTok hanu say no. It can make it or make you. TikTok hanu say bima ba ha shiro mo nkwa because of TikTok nti omonu mu kasa comment section to ma shiro mo nkwa. Onye obi na de boni che o. Obu a ye ne boni o de be che obu a so ye ne boni obedi udwuma. Ena aduabon so no obi wo obodua no abegina ha na mi bodua na woni pa ne hu. Aduabo ye mboni sawo ye ne back door. Yo baby ye ne back door. Mama yanko tie bi na mo fa ntu mo hofo enye obi na de bone eche nti udi obi bone na wadwen ho mama yanko tie
Ugusuti you are still alive. I told you I would delete my account and I will leave this app. I dared you. Make a sure.
Hey,
Come and try me again. Now one thing. Na so if you are samado. Na sambeka so obekumi biom. I want you to have the strength to get up from your dead. Says now who are they not sorry? Nabekumi. Not sorry. Nabekumi. Yeah, now you're back. I keep telling you people say, and you'll be an edible nature. I've said this thing over and over and over on TikTok. Say, and you'll be an edible nature. And then you'll be an old bodia or the camera be seen. I told you people. Woma ya yenim dia boni ye fa camera see yenim. Who bodia ye fa camera see yenim. Who bodia ye mbo obi amane. You don't let anybody know, you just do it. And you wait for the results. I told you. Wo betina ha obi gidi na asem na enfa mo ho a na mo dia.
Etabusia we ana amagana fo bi chesness radio wo social media ye pa bi say duabo a yebo no life so ne ade no enye kwanza ne wo mo a wo maboduan se be yank wo mo hwe na wo mo nane wo mo so a enya mo ye ne de mo fa we entu mo hofo no obi ntokwa wonim ho hwe na wo bi share che no feed information na wo de aba na wo ka na wa ya agiman e wo ntokwanim no wo mo nyina e de betu wo mo ehofo mesresa wo so obeja comment our comment section ho e de ama me all the social media handles no e too much GH o subscribe like no wa share na fofo so eni bia share dark gold enemy din macro.